I just made my candy cane wreath, and if you would like to know how to make one, stay tuned. Hi, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Welcome back, everyone, and if you haven't been here before, a double welcome to you. I'm starting my candy cane wreath with a frame I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and then I have my hot glue gun. Just got a new little one on Black Friday that has the low temperature, so I won't be burning myself. And then I have 3 ribbons. This plaid ribbon I got this year from Sam's Club, and the red and gold ribbon I've had for years, but I believe it came from Michael's. So I'm starting with the plaid ribbon. I'm going to wrap the entire candy cane frame in this. And I'm going to start by gluing the bottom edge on. The next step will be to tuck in this raw edge that I cut and to glue that down. And then I'm going to glue the other side so that I can get a nice tight fit before I start wrapping the ribbon. The next steps are simply to begin wrapping and to add a little bit of hot glue as you go along. Now as I work my way up the leg of the candy cane, I'm going to be pulling the ribbon taut and adding hot glue to each side of the frame as I go around. And I'm going to just try to space it evenly, but the main thing is to just keep it tight. So I've worked my way up the side of the candy cane, and now I'm about to enter this curve. So the main thing I try to do is to again keep the ribbon tight, and then as I work my way around the curve, I have to do some pleating sometimes in the back, but make sure it's done in the back, and that way it won't show, you know, when you hang your candy cane. If it has to be done on the front, do it on the edge that works toward the hook of the candy cane, and that way the next time you wrap some ribbon over, you will actually cover the pleat that you did prior to on the last step. Here's an example where I've got a little bit of pleating on the front, but by the time I get it to the front again, that will be completely covered. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. So while I continue to make my way around this curve, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. I have another Christmas tree I'll be sharing soon, and then I'll be having my home tour. Fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black. So I've made it to the end of my candy cane, and I'm going to keep wrapping another round until I actually have some of that ribbon overhanging the end, and then I'm going to clip it and glue down that final piece, and then you'll see that I am going to tuck in the corners and fold the flap back just as you would on a present. So keep watching to see how I get this done. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie So now that the candy cane is finished, I took the plaid, the red and the gold ribbon, and I made a funky bow. And I made the bow, I held the bow together using a pipe cleaner. So I'm just using the end of that pipe cleaner to wrap it around the candy cane, twist it in the back, and then I'm tucking that raw edge of the pipe cleaner into one of those folds of the ribbon in the back. So you know what we do last, we just fluff, fluff, fluff until we get the bow looking the way we want it to look. And then we're going to be done. So here's my candy cane wreath for my front door. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Once again, I appreciate you spending this time with me. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.